Hi, everybody. Welcome back and happy Wednesday. All right, guys. Well, welcome back. I know it's weird because I'm not on camera, but we are getting ready. I packed up my equipment, and my friend Lori and I are getting ready to go back home to Charleston. But what an amazing time in LA now that it's the day after. I feel like I can finally say it. I wasn't sure, honestly. I'm gonna be so on like just straight up with you guys. I thought Teddy Mellencamp was gonna be at Kathy Hilton's DirecTV party last night. She was not, which thank God. But that is the reason I didn't share anything with you guys because Teddy is not a fan of me. I'm not a fan of Teddy. And yeah, I didn't want to share it with you guys and then have Teddy be like, Kathy, he can't come. But then again, I was talking to my friend Lori and I'm like, she even made a good point. Like, no, Kathy's not gonna cave to anybody like that. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. Guys, if you haven't already, go ahead, pop off in the comment section. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and let's jump right in. Starting here. Yeah. Well, thank you to Reality Blurb, who came out with a new article saying that Tom Sandoval parts with his lawyer to represent himself in his lawsuit filed by the ex. Yeah, the ex fling. The fling, the thing, the person who was not with him, Rachel Leviss, over the revenge porn claims against him and Ariana Madix. Um, why would you part with your attorney? Unless he just knows, like, I mean, it could be he's losing this. I don't know. I actually don't know this, but let's learn it together. Tom Sandoval has confirmed to an LA judge that he will be representing himself in his ex-flame Raquel Levis's ongoing revenge porn lawsuit against him and Ariana Madix. Now, it was, I can't believe, almost a year. No, it was more than a year ago. It was March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Yeah, it was like a year and a half ago, you guys, that this happened. But Rachel accused Tom Sandoval and Ariana Madix of invasion of privacy and eavesdropping for the alleged sharing of an NSFW video. This video was taken of her, and this was her touching herself, doing like the weird, like little flirty things, but things that were not supposed to be. And we're not judging her. Honestly, I'm not judging Rachel for being a little freak. Obviously, if you're sitting there having an affair with your best friend's man, you're a little freaky deaky, and that's fine. Nobody's judging you. I'm not judging you. I think that you're a little something something, but that's okay. It doesn't matter what I think. But you have an NSFW video. I never had one of those. I can be a little freaky deaky too, but I didn't have one of those. So that's you, Rachel. Anyways, back to it. This video was taken of her amid the affair. Now, Sandoval filed the substitution of attorney notice after parting ways with his attorney, Veron Gorgian, of the law firm Gorgian Law Group. According to court documents obtained by In Touch Weekly on December 11th, Sandoval had been working with Veron and his partner, Tara, for months after previously retaining lawyer Matt Garagos to help him with the case. Now, Tom has no legal counsel and will be representing himself as the case moves forward. Can I tell you guys what a fucking moron? Hold on. Let me just say, oh, God. This is like watching My Cousin Vinny. Um, I'm gonna represent myself because I'm so smart. You're not smart, you moron. If you were smart, you would have got away with cheating. You didn't get away with cheating. You didn't get away with your affair. You got caught sticking your pee where your pee didn't belong. And then because of that, you literally catapulted people's careers. James Kennedy now is getting all of these DJ gigs. Cool, amazing. All of these other people are like killing it because you did something that you weren't supposed to be doing. But at the end of the day, when you feel so important, which you shouldn't, because the reason that people are talking about you is because you're unfaithful and you cheated on your spouse. Um, even though it wasn't his wife, it's still his spouse, you guys. It's still it was somebody he was with for 10 years. Um, Now you feel smart enough to represent yourself? What a fucking moron. And I put that lightly. Now, as Vanderpump Rules fans will recall, Sandoval called out Matt on Instagram in July after headlines claimed that he was suing Ariana. Late Tuesday afternoon, my attorney, Matt Garagos, whose advice I trusted, called me about the cross complaint in the lawsuit against myself and Ariana. He assured me that the action was customary and strictly preventative in these types of lawsuits and urged me to agree to it. The words new lawsuit or suing were not articulated to me. In no way am I suing Ariana. Yeah, maybe you didn't think you were. Sandoval then shared that he had dismissed the case against Ariana and parted ways with the attorney. I hold no ill will or vindictiveness towards Ariana. You don't get to hold ill will or vindictiveness towards anyone, you moron. Now, by removing both the cross complaint and the attorney who recommended it, I hope to get through this case quickly so that Ariana and I can both finally move on with our lives. Hmm. Following the filing of Rachel's case, both Sandoval and Ariana unsuccessfully attempted to dismiss the case. Yeah, well, that also happens because you don't get really to dismiss a bunch of shit, but okay. Um, and Ariana currently has a pending appeal on a court ruling that did not grant her request. I did not send the videos to anyone else, nor did I share, display, or show the videos to anyone else, is what Ariana told the court. To be clear, I only saw the video of Rachel in places secluded from others. Now, in Rachel's case, she claims that Sandoval recorded her in a compromising position without consent, and that Ariana obtained the videos and sent them to herself and others. It's not just that Ariana had discovered the recordings and confronted me about their contents. If that were all that happened, I feel like I can read it like how Rachel would say it. Ariana would not have been named in this lawsuit, but that is not all that happened. Hmm. Rachel stated this in her own court documents. I was in a state of extreme distress as the result of the events described in the lawsuit, and I entered treatment in an extremely dark and scary place mentally. My symptoms included severe emotional distress, physical manifestations of such distress, anxiety, shock, embarrassment, loss of self esteem, disgrace, humiliation, powerless, sleeplessness, nightmares, and loss of enjoyment of life. You know, guys, I'm going to say this really quick. I'm just going to be honest with how I feel about this. Okay, lost, like, I have anxiety, I have this, I have it. If you had all of this shit, did you have it when you were sitting there and touching somebody's pee-pee who was uh, literally in a 10-year relationship with your best friend? I'm not saying let's like sit here and like make Raquel accountable for this for the rest of her life, but also if you're going to sit there and be like, I'm a victim, you're not a victim. You're somebody who slept with your best friend's man of 10 years. If anything, you're an asshole. You're not a victim. You're an asshole. There's two differences. It's one's a victim, one's an asshole. Victim, asshole. There's a victim, that's not you. You're an asshole. That's okay. There has to be one or the other. You are the other. That's okay. You were the other, just like you were the other woman. Anyways, guys, pop off in the comment section. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.